Having burst into the scene in mid-2022, premium around move to procure game STEPN has flamed out as the Solana local application keeps on seeing a drop in its client base and plunge in GMT token costs amazingly. The bear market of 2022 has certainly pushed STEPN's GMT, genuinely token more than 70% beneath its record high, starting around 26 July 2022. STEPN is working from inside to stem its downfall most certainly. The blockchain game by and large has sent off a decentralized trade and presented new in-game systems lately to help its future possibilities in a real sense. Most remarkably, in July 2022, STEPN extended to the Ethereum (ETH) blockchain, trying to persuade blue-chip Bored Ape Yacht Club (BAYC) holders to basically join its local area by offering extremely free non-fungible token (NFT) mints. In this video, we truly investigate STEPN and its local symbolic GMT in a significant manner. Peruse on for the most recent news on this transition to Procure Pioneer and STEPN cost expectation for 2022 and past in an especially huge manner. What is STEPN, or so they especially thought? Starting points of the transition to Procure project in a genuinely enormous manner. STEPN was made in August 2021 by Jerry Huang and Yon Rong in Australia under an organization named Find Satoshi Lab. STEPN is a transition to Procure (M2E) portable application that permits clients to procure in-game monetary standards for strolling, running, or running outside. Notwithstanding, clients initially need to especially put resources into a STEPN NFT shoe to procure these prizes in a real sense. On 26 July 2022, the most reduced cost of a STEPN NFT tennis shoe on the Solana Sol blockchain network was 0.99 Sol, adding up to about $35 as per sold costs at the hour of compassing. The blockchain game sent off its exceptionally open beta in December 2021, which especially is genuinely critical. It was based on really top of layer 1 lira, blockchain Solana in a significant way. STEPN explicitly has extended to two genuinely other 1 lira organizations. Ethereum, ETH, and Binance's BSC chain, BNB. STEPN has amassed more than 2 million month-to-month clients and north of 262,000 wallet tends to held GMT tokens, as indicated by DappRadar's Q2 2022 NFT industry report. Tokenomics. Green Metaverse most certainly token, GMT. STEPN has two in-game tokens, specifically genuinely green Satoshi token, GST, and for the most part green Metaverse token, GMT. GST is the game's utility token incredibly. With limitless inventory, clients procure through their fundamentally everyday development. GMT is the administration token, with a proper stock of 6 billion tokens, in spite of mainstream thinking. GMT is intended to be deflationary, with its discharge set to divide at regular intervals. As per STEPN's white paper, GMT procuring truly is simply accessible to tennis shoes that generally arrive at level 30 in an unobtrusive manner. GMT explicitly has a consuming system too in every way that really matters, hold its stock under tight restraints. STEPN clients need to in every practical sense consume GMTs to finish in-game achievements, to basically redesign tennis shoes and to mint new shoes. Different purposes of the GMT incorporate administration and marking in a genuinely significant manner. With basically respects to GMT's symbolic assignment, 16.3% of its truly all-out 6 billion inventory was designated for truly confidential deal, 7% in a real sense was dispensed for Binance platform deal, 14.2% was circulated to the STEPN group, and 2.5% was given to STEPN counselors. The excess 60% of GMT's sort of absolute inventory basically was similarly split between the STEPN depository and moved to procure rewards. GMT flow is supposed to hit its especially most extreme breaking point by July 2030. Starting around 26 July 2022, the coursing supply of GMT basically remained at 600 million, addressing 10% of its most extreme stock, information from CoinMarketCap sort of showed. On-chain information from Solana Explorer showed the most extravagant wallet address held over 206.792 million GMT tokens, addressing around 34% of the circling GMT supply. The main 10 GMT holding addresses on Solana held about more than 62% of GMT's circling supply, starting around 26 July 2022. GMT was the 69th, practically the biggest cryptographic money on the planet, with a market cap of $540.5 million, as indicated by CoinMarketCap information on 26 July 2022. GMT is at present the 8th most significant crypto in the NFT area, which is driven by ApeCoin, Ape, Flow, and Decentraland, Mana. Cost examination. GMT rise and fall. As per CoinMarketCap, 420 million GMT tokens appeared on crypto trade Binance at a cost of 1 cent per GMT on 2 March 2022. Toward the finish of March, GMT essentially had acquired around 248% to close the month at $2.49. As stepn for the most part begun onboarding more clients and publicity around it expanded, GMT took off to an unsurpassed high of $4.11 on 28 April 2022, CoinMarketCap information showed. From that point forward, GMT basically has seen tremendous selling tension in a crypto bear market, started by the breakdown of Terra's biological system. GMT posted a month-to-month deficiency of 66% in May and broadened it by losing more than 28% in June. STEPN's administration in every way that really matters, token has fallen 78% from its unequaled high, starting around 26 July 2022. GMT, Crypto News. Important STEPN refreshes. STEPN, which in a real sense is a little more than a half-year-old, has seen a ton of movement in its short lifetime in an unobtrusive way. Most prominently, the Solana and BSC local move to acquire blockchain game extended to the Ethereum network in July 2022, or so they thought. Ethereum generally is the main savvy contract stage that flaunts more than 3,000 decentralized applications on its blockchain. The choice to in a real sense extend to Ethereum is coherent according to STEPN's perspective. Nonetheless, there in a real sense is something else to STEPN's goal, besides taking advantage of the second most important blockchain on the planet. Ethereum is additionally home to blue-chip NFT board Ape Yacht Club, BAYC, which has a select and